Question answer chapter 11 class 5th. Short answer type question. Question number 1. What is an eclipse? What is an eclipse? The answer is the phenomena of formation of shadows of heavenly bodies like earth and moon. This is known as eclipse. Means the phenomena or process of formation of shadows of the heavenly bodies like earth and moon. So this is known as eclipse. It is formed when the sunlight is blocked by earth or moon. When the sunlight is blocked by earth, then we are not able to see the moon. So lunar eclipse occur. And when the sunlight is blocked by moon, then the solar eclipse occur. Now question 2. What is a satellite? A satellite is a body or the object that revolves around a planet in a fixed path. You can say the satellite, this is the heavenly body which revolves around a planet in its fixed orbit. So that is satellite. Now question 3. Name the different phases of moon. The different phases of moon are new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. These are the different phases of the moon. Now question number 4. Write the names of America's first artificial satellites, India's first artificial satellite and India's satellite used for remote sensing. Now the answer. America's first artificial satellite was Explorer 1. India's first artificial satellite was Aryabhat and India's satellite Cartosat 2A. This is used for remote sensing. Long answer type question. First question is list the features of the surface of moon. The features of surface of moon, these are, the first point is surface of the moon is not even, means it is not smooth. It is made up of grey rocks and powdery rock dust. Second point is there are rough mountains and also a large number of round pits called craters. These craters are made by chunks of rocks that smashed into moons like bullets. So this is about the features of the surface of moon. Question number 2. What are opaque objects? Give 2 examples. The question is very simple. Opaque objects, these are the objects which don't allow light to pass through them. Example, wood and brick wall. These are the opaque objects. Children, you can give any other example also which don't allow light to pass through them. Explain waxing and waning of the moon. Answer is moon appears to change its shape due to its revolution and rotation around the earth. Moon is rotating on its axis as well as revolving around the earth. When the size of the moon's light portion increases, then it is called waxing. When the lighted portion of the moon increasing day by day, then it is called waxing, and decreasing size of the lighted part of the moon, so this is called waning. Children, we can say that after full moon, the lighted portion of the moon, so this start decreasing, then it is called waning. And after new moon, the lighted portion of the moon starts increasing, then it is called waxing. Question number 4. Differentiate between solar and lunar eclipse. Now its answer, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, when the sun, the earth and the moon fall in a straight line with the earth in the center. The moon goes behind the earth and the shadow of the earth falls on the moon and makes it invisible. This phenomena is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, it occurs only on a full moon night and it lasts for a short time. Now solar eclipse, when the sun, the moon and the earth falls in a straight line with the moon is in between, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. The sun becomes invisible in that area and this phenomena is called solar eclipse. It occurs on a new moon day and also lasts for a short time. Question 4. Differentiate between natural and artificial satellite. Natural satellite. a heavenly body found naturally and revolving about a planet. So this is known as natural satellite. Natural satellite means a heavenly body which revolves around a planet. For example, moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Natural satellite, it revolves in a fixed orbit and has fixed time period and is everlasting. And it is very big in size and shines by sunlight. These 3 points about the natural satellite. Now come to artificial satellite. Artificial satellite, it is a man-made and sent into space to revolve around a planet for some specific purpose like telecommunication, remote sensing, weather forecast, etc. Now the second point about the artificial satellite, these are equipped with camera, transmitter and receiver to send and receive messages, and it is very short in size. Now the next question is list a few uses of artificial satellites. Now answer, artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, informations about cyclone, forest fire, floods or moving glacier. So that is given by artificial satellite. In telecommunication, as communication satellites, artificial satellites are used. And the third use is in remote sensing to provide information about the land use, health of crops, density of quantity of fish available in the sea, etc. These all informations are given by remote sensing satellites.